The Marco Barricade CO monitor is a critical component of any respirator program. The monitor continuously samples the breathing air to test for the presence of carbon monoxide and alerts the user with both audible and visual alarms if that level becomes dangerous. In this video, we are going to walk you through the steps to calibrate the Marco Barricade CO monitor. First, make sure the power cable is properly connected to the CO monitor. Next, disconnect the breathing air sample line. Collect this zero air canister, then connect tubing to the valve outlet and to the calibration fitting on the air inlet. We are now ready to zero the monitor. Open the dispensing valve. Then, turn the flow adjust valve to achieve a rate of 0.75 to 1.25 as indicated here on the flow meter. Allow the zero gas to flow for 1 minute. If the display reads 0, then proceed to the next step. If there is any reading other than 0, turn the zero potentiometer until a reading of 0 is reached. Finally, turn the dispensing valve to the closed position and remove the valve from the cylinder. Next, we will calibrate the CO monitor. First, connect the span gas to the dispensing valve and open. Then, turn the flow adjust valve to achieve a rate of 0.75 to 1.25 as indicated here on the flow meter. Allow the span gas to flow for 1 minute. The monitor display will count up from 0 to 95 parts per million. If the display reads 95 parts per million of calibration gas, and both the audio and visual alarms are functioning, you have completed the calibration process. If not, turn the span potentiometer until the display reads 95 parts per million. You have now tested and calibrated the Marco Barricade CO monitor.
Already, formerly APE Companies and Marco Group International. Contact us today by calling 1-800-BLAST-IT or by emailing sales@allready-us.com. Visit us on the web at www.allready-us.com.